Hello, I am Chiefy, owner of this channel. So, Chaos Games was awesome. It was chaos, like in the name, and we will have post-show interviews soon. So, welcome aboard to a great adventure. Hello everybody, Chiefy here. Today we're on the post-show and my special guest, Ryla.
Hey.
Hello.
Alright, so I'm one of the contestants of the
Chaos Games Hide and Seek Edition.
what?
Chaos Games Hide and Seek.
Chaos Games Hide and Seek Edition. So we have new people that will be joining us in the Chaos Games, which are pretty not well, friends. They kind of are enemies to each other, but we'll have to fix that, right?
Yeah. Alright, so what is your opinion on the latest Chaos Games?
So the latest Chaos Games wasn't really that good. It was our first video. We didn't know what we were doing. So we will have to work on that. So maybe we should invite them now.
Now we have to do single person. Alright, so any last questions about Chaos Games?
Chaos Games, we just want to have fun, and that's it.
Alright, thank you. Alright, and we're back with Ryan. You can come out, please. Hello, Ryan. Alright, so what was your opinion on the latest Chaos Games that you participated in?
It was pretty good for a first video.
I agree with that. Alright, so any questions about Chaos Games?
I don't know.
Alright, so
It was pretty good for a first video.
do you have
Right
any
there,
ideas
pretty
for
fun.
what we could next in Chaos Games?
Could do. Right.
What about
Kind of thing.
Infection Tag?
What about what?
What about Infection Tag?
Oh, we could do that.
Yeah, alright.
Action tag.
Any last questions?
I have.
Any last questions before we go?
I don't have any more questions.
Alright, and we will be back after this ad break. And we are back after that ad break. And here's my last special guest, Gunnar. Alright, so what was your opinion on Chaos Games?
It wasn't very realistic and stuff.
True. Alright, any questions about what we're going to do next for Chaos Games?
Nah.
Alright, so what do you think would help improve Chaos Games?
What?
What do you think would improve Chaos Games?
It'd be more realistic and much funner.
Yeah. Alright, and